Welcome to our Splunk SPL series. Today we're exploring the table command, one of the most essential commands for formatting search results. The table command allows you to display specific fields in a clean tabular format, making it indispensable for creating reports and dashboards. Think of it as your go-to tool for organizing data exactly how you want it presented. The syntax for the table command is straightforward. You simply type the word table followed by the field names you want to display, separated by spaces. The basic structure is table field 1, field 2, field 3, and so on. This command selects and displays only the specified fields in tabular format, which is essential for creating clean and focused reports. Let's look at a practical example. Here we are searching the web index for access combined source type, then using the table command to display only 3 fields: client IP, method, and URI. This query will show you only the client's IP address, the HTTP method used, and the requested URI, removing all other fields from the results. This creates a clean, focused view of your web access logs. One important aspect of the table command is that field order matters significantly. The columns will appear in the exact order you specify them. For example, if you write table user action time, the columns will appear as user, then action, then time from left to right. If you change the order to table time user action, the time column will appear first, followed by user, then action. This gives you complete control over how your data is presented. The table command works exceptionally well after statistics commands. In this example, we're first using the stats command to count records and calculate the average price by product and region. Then we use the table command to organize these calculated fields in a specific order: product, region, count, and average price. This combination is powerful for creating organized summaries of your statistical analysis. The table command also supports wildcards for field selection. You can use the asterisk symbol as a wildcard. For example, table host *time* will show the host field plus all fields containing the word time anywhere in their name. Similarly, table user error _ will display the user field and all fields that start with error _. This is particularly useful when you have multiple related fields with similar naming patterns. Here's a comprehensive example showing how the table command creates dashboard-ready output. We're analyzing security firewall data, first using stats to count events by source IP, destination port, and action, then organizing the results with the table command. This produces clean tables that are report-ready and provide focused data perfect for security monitoring dashboards. The result is professional-looking output that stakeholders can easily understand. Let's summarize the key takeaways for the table command. First, it allows you to select and display only the fields you need, reducing clutter in your results. Second, you have complete control over field order. Columns appear in the exact sequence you specify. Third, it works seamlessly with statistics commands, making it perfect for organizing calculated fields. Finally, it produces dashboard-ready output that's essential for reports and visualizations. Master the table command, and you'll be able to create clean, professional data presentations that communicate your findings effectively. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.